So today in this video we shall factorize x square plus xy minus 72y square. So first we factorize the number 72. That is 2 times 36 means 72, 2 times 18 means 36, 2 times 9 means 18 and 3 times 3 means 9. So from these numbers, by multiplying among them, we need plus 1. So 2 times 2 mean 4, 4 times 2 mean 8 and 3 times 3 mean 9. So it is minus 8 plus 9 means it is plus 1. So it becomes x square minus 8xy plus 9xy minus 72y square. So minus 8xy plus 9xy means it is plus xy. So now we find out the commons in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is x. So remainder in the first x and at last minus 8y. Like as the common in these both is first one 9 and another one is y. So remainder in the first x minus 9 times 8 mean 72 and second one y. So now we again find out commons in this first and last expression. So both contain x minus 8y. So x minus 8y is common. So remainder in the first, x in the last, here plus 9y. So x minus 8y and x plus 9y are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.